Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python training series. In this session, as part of Selenium WebDriver, I am going to practically demonstrate how to enter text into the text fields by running some JavaScript code in Selenium. So let's get started. In Selenium, we have a command known as sendKeys command using which we can type the text into the text fields. But in some cases or in very rare cases, it may not work. In such cases, when it is not working, you have to go with the JavaScript way of entering the text into the text fields. Okay, we have to run some JavaScript code to enter the text into the text fields. Okay, when the sendKeys command of Selenium is not working. In very rare cases, it will happen. Let's learn it. Okay, we already know how to enter the text into the text fields using sendKeys command of Selenium Python. But now in this session, let's learn how to use a JavaScript, okay, to enter the text into the text fields. So I'll go with this application. That is, I'll copy this application URL where I'll find one text field. Into the text field, I have to enter some text, and that too, I have to enter the text into the text field of this web page using the JavaScript code. Okay, I want to enter, let's say, HP text into this text fields with the help of JavaScript. Okay, by running some JavaScript in Selenium Python, I want to enter the text into the text fields. Okay, I don't want to use the sendKeys command. So for that, let's switch to this practical mode, that is PyCharm IDE, where we have some sample Selenium Python code for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, and for opening the application URL. Okay, I'll give the application URL here of this application. Copy this and paste it here. Once we go to that page, what I have to do here is, so in the normal way in Selenium, how do you type the text into the text field with the help of Selenium? Let me inspect this field. We have a command known as sendKeys command, right? First, I'll cover the Selenium way, that is using the sendKeys command. So here, this input field has a name locator. I'll copy this name locator and I'll write this code here, that is driver dot find element by dot name and say dot, okay, dot sendKeys command. I have to use the sendKeys command here. Sendkeys, and whatever the text you want to type, you just provide here. So you see, this is a sendKeys command of Selenium Python that will enter the text into the text field, this particular text search box text field, okay, that we have located here. Now I'll give some, for demo purpose, I'll give time.sleep, let's say some 3 seconds. And after that, I'll quit the browser. Now run the script. Just see here, with the help of the Selenium commands, we have entered the text into the text field. Okay, HP has been typed into the text field. But now, in some cases or in some rare cases, what happens is this sendKeys may not work. Okay, it may not be able to enter the text into the text fields. In such cases, what we have to do? We have to go with the help of JavaScript. Okay, we have to run some JavaScript code from the Selenium Python script so that it can enter the text. In case sendKeys command is not working, then only you have to go. Okay. So how to run the JavaScript code in Selenium Python? For that, we have to say driver.execute script command. Okay, driver.execute script command. In that, provide double quotes, put a comma here. And let's create the element. Okay, let's create the web element where you, that is a text box field web element where you want to enter the text. So that is nothing but the search box field. Inspect this, and it is a name locator again. We'll copy this, and here I will write down driver.find element by dot name locator, give the name locator, and create a web element, that is a search box field, right? This is nothing but search box field. So in this execute script command, after this comma, you copy paste this web element here. Okay, on this web element, I want to enter the text into. So I'll write in JavaScript, I'll write like this, arguments of 0. That means the search box field dot value. You have to use dot value here is equal to, in single quotes, give the value that you want to type into the text box. That is HP. This is a JavaScript way of entering the text into the text field. Okay, into this particular search box field, the HP text will be typed. Okay, it will be entered. Okay, this is the JavaScript way. Here we are running this JavaScript code with the help of Selenium Python command, that is execute script command. And now run the script, and with the help of JavaScript also, with the help of this dot value, we can enter the text, that is HP, into the search box field. Let's see. You see, HP text has been typed into the search box field. That's it. So hope guys, you understood how to enter the text into the text fields by running some JavaScript code in Selenium. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.